All right, what's up, y'all? We're out here. Weather conditions aren't perfect, but we're gonna get after it anyway. So today the goal is get some inshore species, looking catch some reds, some trout, maybe some sheep's head. Picked up some live crabs here underneath some rocks. Hopefully y'all can see that here. Yep, I'm gonna throw these fellas out on a sheep's head jighead, and hopefully we have some luck with that. If not, we always got a little Z-Man tied on, and then we got just a 3-0 circle hook here just in case we snag up a croaker or a pinfish, or maybe throw that out. So I got my buddy out here. He's gonna come out kayaking and some fishing with me. So hopefully we get into something. Y'all stay tuned. Let go. Dude, just let go. Let go. This guy just keeps choking it down. He's not even hooked. All the lizard fish in the world. Yep. All right, man. Let's see. Let's see what this bad boy is gonna measure. My battery's dead. All right. No, on that other one. Let me see.
You want to borrow my battery for a minute?
Nah, I'm good. No, this one's good. My good GoPro's good. It's my other one that's...
Did you have a battery in the good one when you hooked him?
Yeah, it just died when I was mid-fight.
There he is.
Dude, he...
Well, there's a fish.
Right? I know, man. That's why I was surprised. It's got a little sore in the back. Let me see. Let me measure this guy without losing him. Hopefully.
16?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's my guess anyway.
Oh,
16 and a quarter. I mean, I could squeeze his tail and get a good 16 and 3/4, but...
Heck yeah, man. Nice.
Yes. There we go. Nice one, man. He's got this.
That's the best kind of goldfish.
He's got this weird sore back here. Let's let him go. Man, thanks for the fight, buddy. Yeah. That's all I needed right there, man.
I started getting murdered back there. It was like every cast. I just couldn't get anything to set up.
All right. There's something right under me. Yeah. You're looking like an amateur. 10 feet. Let me get this little flounder. That's crazy. I caught that little flounder down there.
Hey, you were just saying you wanted to wear the flounder on.
Yeah, man, because I never catch any. Dude, there's fish right under me. Dude, just pop it right under my kayak.
I can't, man. It's not that easy.
You can't.
I can't row and fish at the same time.
Look at this guy. He's probably what, like... Well, he's probably about 9-10 inches. Let's let this fella go. Well, I guess I don't suck after all, man. Dude, it's a 1/2 ounce, man. Screw it, throw in a 1/2 ounce Houdini. I'm gonna have to back this up because
Usually gotta drop them right in their head, man. They don't like to move much. It's a deep hole.
it is, dude. That should just got too deep for me. Here, I'm gonna go back there and work that spot again. Damn, my leader's too short. Oh well. Another flounder, dude. Another flounder.
Another one?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Ready? I'm gonna measure this one just for you. I'm gonna... Dude, there's something big right under me right now. Gonna leave you right here. He's there. Come on, come on. Oh, come on, man. Dude, there's something under us. Yeah, I threw to that dock and reeled it back my way. But there's activity right under us right now. Anyway, let me reel this up and get this feller back on his way. Right where you're at, that's where I hooked it. No, you're good, you're good. I'm gonna measure this fella here. 10!
How big is it?
10 inches. Just like the other one.
Fish, man.
I know, man. These things are pretty badass.
It's crazy.
Thanks, little buddy. Hooked up right here. Hopefully it's not a sail cat. It probably is. In typical fashion. Oh, I snagged a ladyfish. Dude, they're probably down there just busting this little bait up. Chill, dude. I'm trying to let you loose. You see that? Oh, that was you? Look at this guy, y'all.